opportunity as a special episode in your very prestigious program. Thank you very much. Okay, towards the end of 1999, my father dropped me there in Shillong in my auntie's place. So all my life I have been there. I have done all my education from Shillong and then finished my graduation, masters, everything. So that was yeah. Like that time. So I would always take on the role of a teacher. Yeah, I would pretend to hold a stick, and we would use the wall like a blackboard. But that gives me so much joy and happiness to play with my friends. Yeah. One very important person in my life is my father. So he was a teacher as well. He is no more now. Students from South Korea. Okay. So that was very interesting. At that time, the hype was all about South Korea and all the dramas and everything.
Every now and then, new teachers are joining the school. Committee, principal, councilor, how do you get the opportunity?
That, and then he has given my name to the board members, and a recommendation from him is really good. So,
How do you equip yourself for
the position that I have in.
So they really respect me and they give me all the room for me to improve myself or to do things stuff.
Or my technique tries to put it, method tries to put it, I just openly put out the options for them so that if they like, they might accept, and if they have anything to say also, I'm ready to improve. Okay. This is the first private school in Tamenglong. Yeah, like for you will help the people of Tamenglong not only educationally but with Christian values and Christian spirit. That's why we have the name Christian Model. Okay, and with pride, I can say that the first doctors, first officers of Tamenglong here in the state level, in the national level, are all products of our school. Yes, that we were kind of the only one that we got 100%. School foster parents to it becomes kind of compulsory towards the end because we go through the study camp. Now in that hostel, in the boarding, what we do is we have the routine is very rigorous, very strict. Mind-blowing. They give their best. Then we see leadership qualities also in that. No?
Principal, as a women principal, with the challenges of motherhood.
In the process of motherhood.
Privilege or when you say yes, because I think committee have the privilege to talk to a principal and share my opinions on this. If your colleague or your teachers have to introduce you in 2 lines, what will they add?
They walk near us, we stop breathing also.
Yes, settles on the head. But private, they are also known for giving less salary.
Yes.
Any comment on that?